my name is Reina with Comedic Knowledge.
And I'm Najee with Comedic Knowledge.
And today we're making vegan tacos. Alright, so today I will be making oyster mushroom tacos.
And I'm making seitan tacos.
Alright, so while Najee is getting our oyster mushrooms together, I'm going to start the kale. So we're going to put some grapeseed oil in the pan. I like to kind of move the oil around so it spreads everywhere. And then we're gonna take our already cleansed off and rinsed off purple kale and add that in. We're gonna have this on medium heat and just kind of keep it moving so it doesn't burn. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of salt. Add some turmeric because obviously I love turmeric and it's great anti-inflammatory for you. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of a garlic puree. And then we're gonna mix that up.
So now we're about to saute the seitan. And seitan is basically wheat gluten. It's extracted from wheat and it's super high in protein. So I'm gonna unbox these. And this is packaged. You can actually create your own, but for convenience sake, I'm just going to go ahead and use these. So seitan is a good swap substitute if you're like big on meat and you enjoy meat. So it's one of my go-to foods. All right, so we're gonna add some red onions and some yellow bell peppers.
Yes, and then we're also gonna add some of the salsa that we made earlier. And remember, the salsa was made from roasted red peppers and
Tomatoes.
Dried peppers, something like that. Tomatoes.
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro in that for some color and herbs. And then add a little bit of the salsa that we already made. So you know what's really cool about seitan is that it really does have not only the look of meat and the texture of meat, but it kind of makes you just feel like you are about to eat steak tacos.
Basically.
Really cool.
So the other thing that I like about it is that a lot of guys want something that's really high in protein because they feel the need to make sure they get it in, which is understandable. But this is the perfect way to do so. It's one of the foods that I eat when I'm like short on time. I just want to get ready to just eat, hit the gym, then come back, have a post-workout meal. I usually roll with the seitan because it's quick to make, super simple, so give it a try.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start making the oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna first start by putting some avocado oil in the pan.
Avocados are great because they're a healthy fat. We're pretty nutrient dense, so you don't want too much oil, but just enough to make it flavorful.
Then we're gonna also add some seasonings to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in just a little bit of salt, the pink Himalayan salt, which is what we've been using for most of the meal. It's gonna add some black pepper, cumin, and I really just kind of coat the top and then I'm gonna mix it all together. And then I like adding turmeric, not only because of the properties and the things that are beneficial, but it also adds color to this to make it look a little bit more like meat. Use my spoon and mix it all up. Now when it comes to oysters, there's a multitude of ways that you can eat them. You can either eat them like this, which is whole, or you can actually shred them. So if you want more of like a shredded taco or just a shredded type of meat, you can actually shred these. But we're gonna go with the whole ones today just so we can have some, a different type of consistency. All right, so after grilling the oyster mushrooms, I put them to the side. We added some red onions and some peppers and then put it back into a saute pan with a little bit of vegan butter just to kind of give it an extra little, I don't know. So it's gonna be good. As you can see, the oyster mushroom really has a meat-like texture, and it really, especially with the turmeric, helps to kind of get that color right. So it's gonna be awesome in some tacos. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our tortillas. So I make my tortillas on my stove over an open fire. I just put it right on top and let it kind of get a little brown char there, and then keep it moving. Now Najee makes his a little bit different. Najee, how do you make yours?
So I put mine on the skillet. I just add a little bit of coconut oil and then I'll just like let it fry a little bit, maybe like a minute each side, flip it over, and then we're done.
Nice. Mine's better though, so.
So this is just a healthy alternative and a way that you can have your same favorite meals you used to. Just swapping out the ingredients, having a more nutrient-dense variety of foods, so you can still enjoy what your traditions and how you normally would eat.
Yeah, I think everyone likes tacos. Everybody loves tacos, so it's awesome to try different ingredients and just slap it into a tortilla. If you want to see more recipes like this, follow our Instagram at Vegan Reina
And at Mogul Body.
And if you have any other questions or concerns, definitely give us some comments below.